Hey, welcome back to Half Acres Homestead. We're going to show planting in little kiddie pools. Excuse the goats, they're having a fit over here that Lori brought out sunflower seeds, and they want more. They don't need any more. So let me turn this around and I'll show you what we and explain what's going on. We got our kiddie pools here. We cleaned out the goat pens of straw and manure, put in a couple inches in the bottom of the kiddie pool, and then we put compost on top of it. So it's pretty simple, and we'll follow this up when we go to plant. So just a quick little couple-minute video here. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and share our videos.